My name is Avinash Singh, and I'm the founder and CEO of DIYguru. Now, in this class, this is the first class on electric vehicle business management, and the goal behind this class is to make you aware of the market size of electric vehicle industry, opportunities which are there in the electric vehicle industry, and which all are the important areas where you can focus more of your time if you want to build your career in this segment. Now, this particular module, which is primarily on the electric vehicle design process, is designed to make you aware of the phase wise process of designing an electric vehicle from scratch, right? So, what I'm going to tell you is the process of prototype design, right? Let's say you have an idea, to design an electric vehicle. Now, where should you start with, right? What is the first step to start achieving your goal, right? This is what we will be discussing in this particular module. Now, what happens is before I start the whole design process, I should be able to introduce you the term electric vehicle, right? There is motor, there is controller, there is battery management system. These are the four things that you will have to encounter a lot in the whole of our learning process. So, if you just recap the basics which you have covered in your 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th class, you will see that most of the concepts that you have studied there, right? If I'm talking about battery, the chemistry of battery, right? Cathode, anode, how elements are arranged in a periodic table, how lithium has plus, Li plus, right? How other elements in the periodic table are having their valence electrons, and which among those has the highest tendency to lose electrons, right? That is your lithium, right? That's why we always consider lithium ion. So these are something which is very basic. I would suggest you to go back a little bit in your basics, although we will cover that part as well. We do not want that these basic fundamental concepts should remain untouched with you. But since you are starting with the whole electric vehicle design process, if you can go back a little bit and revise these basic concepts of the design and construction of battery, although wherever possible I will be there to show you, these are lead acid batteries, these are your lithium ion batteries, right? And how these lithium ion batteries are there. I mean, how this is nickel cadmium battery, this is 1.2 volt, right? uh, we have I'm there in my workshop, and we'll make sure that we are covering all these small basic concepts time to time, and be able to show you these sort of models as well, right? Whenever I'm talking about motors, you should be able to understand that in motors there are windings, copper windings. There is a part called stator, there is a part called rotor, right? How stator and rotor interact with each other, right, to produce these magnetic fields in which your rotor rotates. These all small things are there which you should understand, right? This is, if you can see this, right? This is the rotor part, right? This is the rotor one. This is the copper winding. So these small things should be very clear to you. I assume that you have done your 10th and 12th, uh, and have certain idea on that part. So you know small basic concepts of physics is necessary for you, and wherever possible I will showcase you relevant anecdotes, and we have also given you an electric vehicle fundamental guidebook. So go through that guidebook, in which you will be able to just like understand, okay, these are the topics which I need to go back and revise a bit, right? uh, for example, let's say if I'm talking about battery, in that case, in your 11th, or I think in 10th class, you must have studied that when batteries are connected, this is the positive part, this is the negative part. Now if I connect 10 batteries in series, right, and each battery has, let's say this is 1.2 volt, I assume that this is 1 volt. I assume that this is 1 volt and 1 ampere. So if I add 10 more batteries into it in a series fashion, will the current be 10, or will the voltage be 10, or the current will remain same, or the voltage will remain same, right? So these are something which is very basics, but you should be able to understand this, right? So when you connect these batteries in series, the voltage adds up, not the current will remain same, right? Similarly, when you add these batteries in a parallel fashion, these battery current will add up, voltage will remain same. So to get the desired amount of battery voltage and current, we need to arrange these sort of cells in different fashion, series and parallel fashion, so that you can get a desired net voltage and current. That is why you see a big battery pack in electric vehicles, which are connected in series and parallel fashion to give you the desired outcome, right? So in the next video, we will look into the what is the definition of electric vehicle. Why do you say any object an electric vehicle, right? Thank you so much.